Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable iMessage. First of all, unlock your iPhone and then tap on the Settings application from your Settings page. Scroll all the way down and look for Messages. If you don't find it there, tap on Apps and look for Messages app from the app list and tap on it. On the next page, to enable iMessages, tap on the switch right next to iMessages and make sure it turns green. If you ever want to disable iMessages, then do the same on the switch, tap on it and make sure it turns gray. Disabling iMessages means your text will be sent as SMS or MMS, not blue bubble iMessages. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly enable or disable iMessages on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.